In this video, I will give a walkthrough of material management procure to pay means P2P processes in SAP Cloud. As we know that various departments works together to achieve some common goals of any organization or company. In order to fulfill these common goals, they need a service or a material. So let's say any department, for example, production department needs any raw material to produce any final product, or HR needs some files or stationery and so on. Any department may have any requirement. So, if material requirement or any such requirement arises, then the concerned department approaches their purchase department for procurement of same. See, in this workflow, you can easily see that once the requirement is generated, purchase requisition is created, then after that request for quotation is passed to the suppliers, then these quotations are maintained in the system, then on the basis of this quotation the vendor is decided and finalized. After that the purchase order is created and given to the shortlisted supplier. Once the goods are received at the company premises, then gate entry is done and good receipt is done at the stores, and subsequently the invoice receipt is done by the team. This is the complete process flow for materials management P2P process. Now we will follow each of the steps mentioned in this flow diagram and complete our test cycle. First, we will create a RFQ by taking quotations from the various suppliers, and with the shortlisted supplier, we will convert this RFQ into the purchase order. In our test case, we have converted the RFQ to the purchase order number 4500000362. We will copy this number. Once this PO is saved in the system, it goes for approval as per the release strategy maintained in the system. PO approval will see a notification in his SAP home screens, and once he clicks on it, he can see all details related to the said PO. Here he also has the option to approve or reject, along with the option to put his comments also. I will show the same. I will log into the system with my colleague login. See here in the task we can see the purchase order 362, which we have created just now, has come for the approval on his home screen. In this bell icon also we can see it has become red, means a new message has come. If we click on it, we can see our purchase order over here. We will click this purchase order and we can see all the details over here. All the PO related details are appearing over here. Okay. Now if we want to approve or reject, we can do it over here. For our test case, let's approve it. We can put any comments also. Click on submit button, and now the PO is released, and its one copy will go to the supplier on his email ID, and one copy will come to the PO creator, and also the print option will be enabled after release only if release is activated in the system. So now I'll show you the mail also. Mail will come to the creator inbox and also to the supplier inbox. So we can see like this, the mail will come with the copy of PO attached. Okay. Once the material is received at the plant or the company, then first we will do the gate invert, and then secondly we will do goods received at the stores at the specific location in the store section. So now I will show you the same. First we will do the gate entry. We'll click on Migo. We will put our PO number. One zero three is the gate movement. We can put the supplier invoice number over here. We can put the gate entry number over here. Okay. Put on item OK. Quantity. And we will click on check button. Item is OK. We will post it. Our gate person will click on post and the entry is created. So this is our gate entry invert document number. So we will maintain it over here. Gate entry number as okay. Now we will do the stores entry. We will use this number for doing the stores entry. Now we will do the stores invert. So we will again go to the Migo T code. We will select this option, put the document number. Okay. All the details from the gate entry has appeared over here. Stores person will click on OK, validate the quantity. If any mismatch, he can correct the quantity over here. Else, he can do the posting. Click on OK. We will click on check button. It says the document is OK, and we will click on post. If the stores person want to have a look at the PO rate and the invoice rate, so he can also see the same over here in the Migo screen. So it says as per PO the gross price is 1000 INR. Okay, and the weight of this part is 0.008. Okay, each. So now we will post this document, and it has gone to the quality as per the quality plan activated for the set part code material master. We'll copy this number also. So now we have done the gate entry and the stores entry also. And after this, invoice receipt is done in the system, which is relevant to all financial terms. In some companies, this activity is performed by the finance teams, and in some, it is done by the logistics or the procurement team. I will show the same in the system. We will select the app Miro, MIRO. We'll put the company code. Okay. We will put the invoice date. Let's say today's date. Okay. We will put our PO number over here against which we need to do the payment. So here we need to put the reference. Okay. Now here we put the business place. Okay. We'll check the details over here. Okay. We'll put our tax code, calculate tax, and we'll copy this value from here and put it over here. Now it will become green. Okay. We will simulate the document and we can clearly see all the entries posting, taxes entry and the supplier entries. All the entries are appearing over here. Click on back and now we will post this document. And this is our mirror document. We will copy this number also. See, so now all the activities related to the procurement procure to pay means P2P processes are completed.